guys, my name is Samrita Tripathi and I study in class 6. So today's my topic is about diet plan. So everybody know that everything is in limit. God has given everything in limit. So like that the process is also in our body. Same to same like that. So our body needs in limit food. We should know our body need in limit food, not too much of food and not less food. So it want little bit food, but it do not want more food or it do not want little bit food. Like that, our fat also in our body. Many people are suffering from the fat. Who are eating more food items, they are getting fatter and fatter. And who are not eating, they are getting thicker and weaker. So why we should eat, and how much amount of food we should eat? So these all things I will discuss with you today. So you know that to maintain our body, this process is called the diet plan. So the diet is very important. The diet is should be in the balance. It should be amount of food, right amount of food, that what you want to eat, and it should be included healthy food. In 1 week at least you can eat 2 or 1 time junk food, but just avoid junk food because they do not have any type of nutrition and only they harm our body. So the main way, the necessary way of the reducing fat is to balance the diet and exercising. So you know that exercise is very important day to day life. Everyone is doing exercise morning. You can do any time, but we should not do after eating because it can pain our stomach. So you can do anytime yoga, you can do anything what you want. You can do exercise, you can do morning yogas, you can do jogging, or you can do walking 10 minutes. So you can do anything, but you should do it regularly. Some people do 1 or 2 days and next they tell that no, I have now fit, I am good, I will not do today. So this is blaming on you that you are not doing this properly. So if you are doing exercise, then you should do that regularly. What are you doing? You can do in 1 day, you can do at least 2 times, in morning and in the evening before eating. You can, because morning is very important, because the exercise in morning keep us fresh. It keep us fresh, and exercise keep us active. So in the morning we want energy to work full day. So only morning is the good choice to do exercise. So now you know what is the exercise and how much time we should do it. You can do half an hour or at least 20 or 30 minutes. So now you know what is the exercise. Now going forward, we will discuss about diet plan. So first we will come to the towards morning, where when some people start their days with the tea or coffee. Without tea or coffee, you can drink tea. You can just avoid tea and coffee in the morning because they are very poisonous for the in our body. When it work like a poison, because it is like a poison. You can eat black tea, green tea, and any other tea. You can also drink lemon tea also. So just avoid milk in the tea, because when the milk is come to the black tea, it is the mixture and make a poison work for our body. So only in 1 day you can drink 1 time tea or coffee. So this was the morning. You can take any type of tea like lemon tea, black tea, or green tea. So next we will go forward to the breakfast. In breakfast, you can eat any 3 items that are rich in carbohydrate, like carbohydrate. You can eat brown rice, you can eat poha, you can eat upma, etc. And if you are live in South India, then also you can eat 2 idli or 1 dosa with 1 bowl sambar. So now you know what is the breakfast diet. And if you like to drink juice, then also you can add some juice, at least half or 1 glass juice. So next we will go to the midday. In midday means after the breakfast 2 or 3 hours after of the breakfast, you can eat any one type of fruit that you like you can eat one apple, you can eat a half papaya, one bowl papaya, you can eat one guava, you can eat one banana also, etc. What you want to eat, any fruit or vegetable, you can eat that. So this was the midday, because in midday the fruits and vegetables do our digestion fast. So we should also include in our diet fruit and vegetables. And if you do not know, you want to know the benefits of the fruits and vegetables, then go to my video and search to reduce fat. I have given that what are the fruits, eating fruits benefits. So now you know what is the midday meal. Now next we will go to the lunch. So in lunch you can eat any rich protein or carbohydrate rich in foods. Like you can take brown rice, white rice, 2 chapatis, 1 chapati, and etc. You can also take any boiled vegetable with you and green vegetable. And the main option is salad. Salad is very important because salad is the mixture of the fruits, vitamin, minerals, vegetables, fiber, etc. And vitamin, mineral are very important for our body, because these are very important for our body. Now you know that what is the meal of the lunch. Now in the evening, sometime in evening we get bored and we want to eat something. In that time you can drink tea or coffee. At least you can drink half glass or 1 cup tea in your evening meal. With them you can take full hand of nuts. You can take full hand of nuts, and also you can take 7 to 6 almonds. Almonds are very important. They are also a type of the things that do increase our memory power. So you should eat almonds. So next also you can eat makhanas, because they are rich in calcium and fibers. So now you know what is the evening meal. Now after 2 or 3 hours, after the evening meal 2 or 3 hours, you should take dinner. Just only think that just only remember that you should take light in dinner, because in dinner you should take light, because the dinner we cannot digest properly. The full day we was eating, but it was digest now. So the processes is going on. So that meal, the dinner will take more than 1 day. So you should eat less dinner in your night day. So now you know what are the meal what you should eat. So these all things remember, and also you want to follow it, because if you will follow that, then in few months you will see that your weight is getting lost. And yes, don't forget to do exercise every day regularly. So if you like my today's video, then please like my video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my video for new and more interesting videos. Bye bye.